Good morning, guys. It started 4 degrees outside. It's really cold, but today is Friday the 12th. Currently having a mental breakdown because it is so, wait, what? I'm so sick. From the last video, the Brandy Melville one, was like whenever I thought I was gonna get sick. Well, it turns out I got sick. I feel like there's like a cat like scratching in my throat, and it feels like blood is just like dripping down in my throat. It's probably not happening, but I feel it and it feels real. Getting my blood donated at school. We've had EOC testing, which is a statewide test that we just take in Missouri. I haven't taken mine yet. We take ours, I don't know, like 2 weeks. I have English, biology, so I'm feeling like it's not gonna be a good day. We started off very rough. Oh, and look at this, because let me see you. My floorboard's so disgusting.
Sniper gang!
Sniper gang, dude.
Oh my.
Hey guys, so it's Ken Vlog Takeover again. And we're in Spanish. Hi vlog! And we're back again. He is, how tall are you?
I'm 6'10" again. I've been on this like twice before.
Sam, stop. It's getting out of control. If you didn't follow me last time, my Instagram is Kennedy Russell.
I'm about to take a test. Yeah, I don't know. Me too. So I'm with Katie. Hey. We just got pineapple whip. Pineapple was good. Hello, people. It's currently 4:40 and I'm in the school parking lot. Me and Katie went to Pineapple Whip. As you guys saw in my phone clips. Yeah, I forgot my camera. So I'm about to go through the car wash. My day was just amazing. Went to the nurse this morning. She told me I had a virus and then gave me ibuprofen. How's that supposed to help me? I had a freak out. This lady almost just hit me. Fun fact, I'm afraid of car washes. I'm freaking out. Oh, was I supposed to do that? I was so scared. I thought I did something wrong. My eyes are literally glazed over and it's scaring me. So today, I went to go get blood because like I was gonna give my blood away to somebody and they told me that I was too small to do it. I was so excited. Look at that. I'm way too scared. Literally dying of heat stroke. I need that open, but I heard that you're not supposed to have windows open while you're in the car wash. I guess, I don't know. It's way too hot for this. I have to open this. I hope I get rained on. Why isn't it opening? Hello? It's so pretty outside. I need to get refunded. I don't want to do this. I'm freaking out. Oh my god, I'm gonna freak out. Oh my god! I'm about to get blown out of here. I'm the only one that opens. I think it's fine. Okay guys, I'm gonna go home and talk about my hair.